As we start to enter spring, we begin my favorite thematic unit of the entire school year. We will be learning about oviparous animals and their life cycles, farm animals, and butterflies. We will start the unit off by putting our scientist hats on and begin the process of caring for chicken eggs, which will eventually hatch into our own baby chicks. We will be writing in our egg journals as we learn how our baby chicks are growing inside their eggs. You will also be receiving your very own caterpillar. We will be writing in our science journals as we watch and learn about how these caterpillars grow and change into beautiful butterflies. Lastly, we will be studying and writing about several different farm animals and doing some fun arts projects related to our writing. We will also be cooking some yummy food to go along with this fun unit. I can't wait to get started and hope you can't wait too.